Hey guys, how you doing today? So we have a scan tool review today. This is the ThinkScan Plus S6 by Thinkcar. And we're going to take this thing out of the box. We're going to take a look at it. This is a 4-system scan tool with 5 special functions, or what they call resets. Now, this will scan your engine control module, transmission control module, your ABS system, and your SRS. It has a 5-inch screen, which is touchscreen. Has a 1.4 gigahertz CPU with 32 gigs of memory. Does have 5 special functions, which is your oil, electronic brake, steering angle, your TPMS, and your electronic throttle body. It is FCA or Autoauth compatible, so if you have a 2018 or newer Chrysler or Jeep product, you'll be able to register this tool on the Autoauth website and be able to scan your vehicle. It is Wi-Fi upgradable and has free lifetime updates. And this is pretty much a budget-friendly scan tool. It does come with a USB Type-C adapter or charging cable. Yeah, I shouldn't say charging cable because I don't believe that this scan tool, I think it's powered 100% by the car when you plug it in. But what you've got here on the end, you've got it does have expandable storage, so you've got an SD slot, and then there's your Type-C port. So if you want to power this up there at the desk inside the house and update it and stuff like that, you power it up through that. Now this is also powered obviously by the OBD2 cable. So let's get this thing unboxed and we're going to get it over here connected up to the car. It does have a pretty long cord, and we're just going to hook it here to the Jeep, and we're going to go through some of the special functions and abilities that this scan tool has. All right, and here's the unit right here. It does have screen recording, so I'll probably just record the screen and let you follow it that way. If you slide down, you've got your Wi-Fi icon, your screen brightness. You can take a snapshot of the screen with this one right here. You got screen to where if you want to hold this with the other hand like this, it'll flip the screen upside down, as you can see right there. And of course it's got your help to contact ThinkScan. So with that said, I'm just going to go ahead and get into this. So first, let's take a look at the resets. So the resets are a brake pad replacement. So if you need to change the rear pads on your car, you can retract the calipers and put new pads on. It's got electronic throttle body adaptation or reset, oil reset, steering angle, and TPMS. Okay, and to get back, we're just going to hit the little back arrow. You can go into the store. Now, the cool thing about this is if you wanted another special function, let's say you had a car, let's say, for instance, key, you wanted to program a key for your car. You can pay $29.95 and you can download the key programming special function or the ABS bleeding, or any of these, the AdBlue reset, DPF regen, battery matching. If you had a BMW or any other car that requires you to register the battery whenever you replace it, you can download that and have that function also. So that's pretty cool. Let me scroll through all these just so you kind of get an idea of what all it does have available. It comes with 5, like I said earlier, and then you can add those if you need to. Of course, the update, that's where you're going to update all the software. I updated this yesterday, so there's no updates available right now. File, that's where if you're going to take pictures and stuff like that, then that's where you'd find them there. Consult, not sure exactly what that is. Here we go. OBD fault code library, coverage list, learning, and video. And then, of course, you got your settings. we'll scroll through those so that you can kind of, get an idea of what you're looking at there. Now, the one thing I did notice, FCA Diagnostics, whenever you click that, it takes you to where you can buy the Autoauth feature through Thinkcar. What I would do, and what I've done with my scan tools, is I go straight to the Autoauth website and I register the scan tool there. Because if you hit buy now through Thinkcar, and I'm kind of far away from my Wi-Fi connection, so let it load up here. This is, it tells you all about it. Then you get down here and it says it's $128. You can actually get that for $50. So you just go to autoauth.com, I think, do a Google search for Autoauth. You go to the website, register. You can register for free, but then if you want to add a scan tool, or if you want to add up to 5 scan tools, that's $50 per year, and you can have 5 scan tools registered. So that's the way I would do it myself. And then, of course, you got About, which tells you all about the tool. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's go ahead and do a scan. I got the key turned on. And we're just going to do an auto search. It is Chrysler. And that is correct, the 2007 Wrangler. We're using the 16-pin automatically search. Okay, to that, we'll just do a health report. Key is on. So, looks like we got some codes. We got a high airflow vacuum leak detected, P2173. Lost communication in the BCM. I'm surprised it's actually detected the BCM codes. The ABS, SRS. What's interesting is that this was advertised as a 4-system scan tool. Let's see if we can actually go into that module. And it's letting us into the module. Now, this is on a Chrysler, and it just led us into the, let me go back. PCM, the BCM. I'm surprised it's letting us into this BCM. I didn't think the BCM was actually one of the modules that it let you into. Like I said, I thought it was ABS, engine control module, transmission control module, and SRS. There's the ABS torque signal. Let's go into that and take a look at that. There's all the PIDs that you can have. You know what? Let's go back. Let's go into the engine. We're going to read data stream, and I'm just going to pick, I don't know how many PIDs you can pick. We'll do 8. Because I want to look at the graphing ability. And I don't know if any of these are going to move whenever I get into it. Now, I do like that you can select metric or imperial right here on the screen. Let's take a look at the graphing. There's the graphing. You can set your minimum and max values if you wanted to. Bring that open. Looks like you can have up to 4 graphs overlaid on top of one another. So that's nice. Compare sample, save sample, and graph. If I hit graph, okay, you can have 4 individual graphs on the screen at any given time. If you hit any one of those, it brings it up. If you go back, there's your 4. You hit the next one. So you can see that it's actually got a little, it's got a very nice graphing format. Anyway, that's pretty much all I was wanting to show on this scan tool. We'll see you.